everyone, and welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, welcome. My name is Nereyda. I share easy everyday hairstyles, so if you're into that sort of thing, go ahead and hit the subscribe button and make sure to turn on your post notifications so you never miss a new video. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to get this rope braid into a ponytail, so let's go ahead and get started. I'm going to start off by sectioning off a piece of my hair from the top of my head, and then I'm going to split that into 2 equal sections. Then I'm going to cross the front strand over the back strand. I'm then going to twist that new front strand towards my face, pick up a new section of hair and join it into that front strand, and twist both pieces towards my face and then cross them over the back strand. Now I'm going to pick up a section of hair from the front of my head and connect it to that front strand. And I'm also going to pick up a section of hair from the back of my head and connect it to the back strand. With my front piece, I'm going to twist those towards my face and cross it over the back strand. Now I'm going to pick up a section of hair from the front, connect it into the front strand, and once again pick up hair from the back of my head and connect it to the back strand. I'm going to twist the front section towards my face and then cross it over the back strand. And I'm going to continue this pattern one more time until I get to the top of my ear. Now that I've picked up all of the hair from above my ear, I'm just going to continue twisting the front strand towards my face and crossing it over the back all the way down, and then I'm going to secure it with a bobby pin. Now I'm going to gather all of my hair into a low ponytail, and I'm going to secure it with my hair bungee, but you can go ahead and just use any regular hair elastic that you already have. Now I'm going to tighten the ponytail to secure it and add a little bit more volume, and I'm going to remove the twist that's there. And I'm going to add the scrunchie to cover up the hair elastic and just add a little accessory to the ponytail. And that's it for today's video, you guys. I hope you all enjoyed. Please make sure to give me a big thumbs up if you enjoyed this video. Comment down below letting me know what else you would like to see. Share this video with your fellow friend that might need to up her ponytail a little bit. And make sure to hit the subscribe button and turn on your post notifications so you always know when I upload a new video. Until next time, you guys, bye!